Hey guys, I'm guessing you've seen this if you've watched my first ever video, but today I'm going to be telling you how you can make this thing. For those of you who have not watched this is a turret. It shoots things. And yeah, this is completely mobile compatible. There's probably better ways to make it, but I don't play on computer so I can't access those ways. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stay still. And that did absolutely nothing. I have the perfect solution. Leave. Okay. So, so now I'm going to explain how you can make one of these of your own. Feel free to pause in the middle of this video to catch up. So, step one. So yeah, this is the basic build of the creation. But okay, to the tutorial. Step one. Put this right here. Oh yeah, also I forgot to tell you. The few tools you 100% need for this creation are are the this and this and this. Well, you could work on it without the screwdriver. The screwdriver just makes it easier. You can also do it without the trowel. Sorry if I'm boring you. Now let's continue. First, you put a wheel right here, and then you put a servo like this. And then you do this. Set this to 2. Make sure you flatten out, and then extend it. Well, oops. Extend it however way you want. We're just gonna leave it at this. I'm also not gonna color it. And now I'm gonna be using the trowel to make this go faster. And then you move this right here. And then you do the same with the other side. And then you make a roof. But then what you want to do is to open up a small little area. Move this by 3. Move this back by 3. And then place a magnet. Wait, where's the magnet? Okay, there. Right about here. Wait. Right about here. and and now but now you're able to shoot any block. But wait, we're not done yet. You still have to make the mechanism that actually fires the stuff. Eh. Okay, that's better. Now we'll fit. Okay, yeah, but next you'll have to build a scope. They're not too difficult to make. Just place one right here. Feel free to mess around with how you want the scope to be made. To work. You can move back a little bit. But you will move the scope around. Do whatever you want with the scope. Try and make it as accurate as possible. I'm just gonna leave it at that for now. Now, what would you want to do? Is remove collision, make it visible, and make sure make sure not to turn on crosshairs. And next, grab a chair and a lever. Where's the lever? Up there. And a switch. That's what I meant to say. You connect the switch to this thing. Disconnect this. And make sure the C is connected to everything else. And then what you would want to do, this is a totally optional step, but because this thing will be moving at such high speeds, yeah, you could, if you don't like the ammo popping out, make a 0 by 0, very thin 0 by 0, or I mean 0.05 plate to just place over it, because it will be moving out at such high speeds, it will just phase straight through. You make that invisible. If you don't want, that's just an optional step if you don't want ammo to fall out, which is annoying. Anyway, back to now. A few things that you'll need to adjust. Make sure to set this to max and slow it down to like 20 or 10. Slow it down to like 20 or 10. Set the servo, whatever that says, and then set down the servo speed to 1. Set servo angle to 90. And congratulations, you've made a fully functioning turret. Now I'll show you in action. Oh wait, I didn't anchor the whole thing. Okay, now that's better. Oh man, that's way too fast. Never mind. Set it to 2. Set the wheel to 2. And you could make it as slow as you want, but set it to what you feel like is good. And when you're ready, and that's how you make a turret. Now you can take out your haters. Now you can get revenge on all your haters.